All right, this lesson we talk about triangle proportionality on the front page, and then the back side we talk about proportional parts and parallel lines. Here we go. All right, what is triangle proportionality? If a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersects the other two sides, like right here, if you look at the example here, two parallel lines, then it divides the sides into segments of proportional lengths. Okay, so here we go. So if I know that DE is parallel to AC, so these guys right here, remember these guys are parallel, then I can do this. I can set up a proportion according to the parallel lines here. So for example, I can say DB or BD over DA is equal to BE over EC. And there are four ways you could have set this up for your proportion. I went top down, top down. You could have went left, right, left, right. You could have gone bottom up, bottom up. And the last way you could have gone is right, left, right, left. So there are four ways to set up a proportion. I just chose the top down method for my setup over here for you guys. Then you get the converse, just flips it. If BD over DA is equal to BE over EC, then I can say these two lines are parallel. DE is parallel to AC. All right. 6 examples. All right. Remember, it is key how you set your proportions up. You got to stay consistent. You can't make circles. So I'll try to do it 4 different ways for you guys, but pick the way you like doing the best and be consistent. So I'm going to go top down for number 1. So I'm going to go 14 over x equals 12 over 15. And then just solve it. We got to cross multiply. 12 times x, 12x. 14 times 15 is 210. 12 goes in there 17.5 times. Number 2, I'll go left, right, left, right. So I'm going to go 18 over x equals 21 over 56. It's another way you could have set this up. 21 over 56, cross multiply. 21x, 18 times 56 is 1008. Divide that by 21, and it goes in there 48 times. Be consistent on your setups. 3 in the current, 30 per loop. You got to find this distance right here first. The whole thing is 55. This piece of it's 45. So there's only 10 of it left for that piece right there. Then you can set up your proportion. I'll go top down, top down. I'm going to go x over 36 equals 10 over 45. Cross multiply, 45x equals 360. 45 goes into 360 8 times. 4 is just like number 3. You got to figure out this distance right here. The whole thing is 27. There's 6 of it here. Just subtract to get this distance. That's going to be 21. Set up your proportion. This one I'll go left, right, left, right. I'll go 7 over x equals 6 over 21. Cross multiply, 6 times x, 6x. 7 times 21 is 147. And 6 goes in there 24 times. Number 5. A little bit of algebra with this when you get an expression right there you got to work with. I'm going to go top down, top down. I'll go 30 over the x plus 7 equals 25 over the 15. Cross multiply. Let's see here. 30 times 15 is 450. Remember that 25's got to hit the x, and the 25's got to hit the 7 there. So you have 25x plus 175. Subtract the 175 over. That's 275. And then divide that by 25, and that is 11. 6, some algebra. You got 2 expressions to work with again. Set your proportion up. Let's go top down, top down. Let's go 6 over 21 equals x minus 1 over 3x plus 1. All right, let's do 21 first. It's got to hit both pieces. So 21x minus 21. The 6 has to hit both pieces over there. So they give us 18x plus 6. Subtract the 18x over. 3x minus 21 is 6. Add the 21. That gives me 27. And 3 goes in there 9 times. Back page. For number 7, 8, and 9, they want to know, is the mid-segment parallel to the bottom line here? So what you do is you got to set up your proportion. Stay consistent, just like the front page. I'll go top down, top down. 11 over 15.4 is 10 over 14. And then here's your job. To figure out if it's parallel or not, you have to cross multiply and see if you get the same answers. So if I do 10 times 15.4, that gives me 154. And then if I do 11 times 14, that also gives me 154. So yes, they work out. If we were to get something different when we cross multiply, that would be a no. Number 8. I'll go top down, top down. So 15 over 18 is 4 over 5. Cross multiply. 18 times 4 is 72. 15 times 5 is 75. This is a no. They did not come out the same. 72 is not the same as 75. Number 9, you got to find the distance right here. The whole thing is 54. Little piece is 24. Subtract them. There's 30 left for that. Set your proportion up. Let's go left, right, left, right. I'll go 30 over 37.5 equals 24 over 30. Left, right, left, right. Cross multiply. 30 times 30 is 900. 24 times 37.5 is also 900. So, yep, that checks out. They're equal. All right, last section. Proportional parts and parallel lines. Says this, if 3 or more parallel lines intersect 2 transversals, so here are your parallel lines, the 3 ones going horizontal, the 2 vertical ones are your 2 transversals, then they cut off the transversals proportionally. So here we go. If I know this, if AB is parallel to CD, which is also parallel to EF, then I can set up a proportion. I can go AC. Let's go top down, top down. AC over CE is equal to BD over DF. All right, so just make sure you've got parallel lines cut by 2 transversals, then you can set up these proportions and solve for the variable. Kind of easy stuff. Just stay consistent with your setups. This guy, I'll go top down, top down. 45 over 18 equals 52 over x, cross multiply. We'll have 45x. 18 times 52 is 936. 45 goes in there 20.8 times. 11, same thing. I'll go top down, top down. 12 over 30 equals 14 over x. Cross multiply, 12x. 14 times 30 is 420. 12 goes in there 35 times. Number 12, you got to find the missing distance right here. The whole thing's 32. Subtract off the 18. There's 14 left for that piece. Proportion, top down, top down. 27 over 18 equals x over 14. 18x, 27 times 14 is 378. 18 goes in there 21 times. 13, find the missing piece. 92 minus 28 is 64. Proportion, top down, top down. 28 over 64 is 31.5 over x. Cross multiply. 28x is 2016. 28 goes in there 72 times. Last two are eligible ones. You got an expression right there we got to work with. Let's go top down, top down. 24 over 18 equals 3x plus 1 over 12. We can make life a little bit easier over here. You don't have to do this, but if you guys notice it, you can reduce this fraction right here. 24 18ths reduces to 4/3. So you still got to cross multiply. Your 3 hits both pieces. So that would give us 9x plus 3. And then 4 times 12 is 48. Subtract 3. 9 goes in there 5 times. Number 15. Let's go top down, top down. 2x plus 2 over 21 equals x plus 3 over 12. Cross multiply. 21 hits both pieces, so 21x plus 63. 12's got to hit both of these pieces. So that'd be 24x plus 24. I'll subtract 21x to the right. I'll subtract 24 to the left. That would give me 39. And 3 goes in 39 13 times. That's it for your lesson.